Hi guys, welcome to Bait City, Missouri, where it's bright and sunny with snow that we've had now for several days. Today I want you to look at a project that we're working on from the outside in because we've already started demo and I can't wait to show you it. Come on in. This is the living room, which is important because there's already a bathtub in the living room. So you can see that we've already started. But what you're going to visualize here is a new kitchen and a new island and a pantry that walks in from this wall. It's going to be kind of a secret door. So just keep in mind, we'll show you that later when it's done, but now you see what we get to do. And this is the closet of our lady of the house. And she has a lot of boots because we are out in the country. So what we're going to do is knock this wall out and give her her own boot closet right here. Then we're going to go all the way back and make this wall out. Everything goes. It's going to be a bigger closet for all her goodies that we ladies have to have. This is where the vanity is going to be. It still is here, but this is going to be gone. We're going to build a new one. We're going to have a walk-in shower. You know that tub you saw in the beginning? It used to be right here. But now it's going to be a nice, beautiful walk-in shower that she can have all this natural light. And the closet that you just saw is coming all the way back here. So this little baby shower is gone. It's going to be the closet. This toilet, which is where the bathroom toilet was, it's going to be hidden in a closet of its own right here. So we've got a lot to do, but I can't wait for you to see when it's over. The floors are going to be a herringbone LVP, which I think will be super comfortable and much easier to take care of than this carpet. So come on back. I got a couple more things to show you. This is the laundry room and it's bright. Washer and dryer used to be right here. We're going to put it over here. And we're going to put a whole new bank of cabinets with all the goodies, drying racks and everything else on this wall for her. She's going to really love that. This is only a few, guys. She's got a lot of boots. Here's the last thing I want to show you. And this is the bathroom, currently in its pretty yellow light stage. Those are going to be gone too. They're going to have a beautiful new onyx shower and bath combo. It's going to be really nice. And this closet, remember the secret closet I told you about the pantry? That's what this is going to be. That's the other side of where the kitchen is. That's going to be a pantry that walks in with all kinds of shelving here. It's going to be really cool. They've lived here for about 21 years, and I think she's been planning this since they moved in. So thanks for joining us. Can't wait to show you the rest of it. Have a good one.